tell me about the shepherd.
About what I can do here.
Then you go on like you know it all. You see me?
I man don't know it all. But I don't want to hear nothing from you. Because you don't rate me.
I talk about nothing. If you never rate him, I tell you the right thing. Forget your medium arms house, aka Mr. Life Counselor / Spiritual Advisor / Recovering Alcoholic. See it? So that put me at liberty to tell you, say, if you ease up off of the spirit. You see me? Because I smell like straight bum. And I'm not even 12 o'clock yet. How I really am going? It's like say the eye losing my way. How can I tip that I really depend on that thing?
You say I do Mr. House. Your thunderlord come here. I can say. Straight judgment.
Watch the one carrot now. Find the surface. Watch me and I'm rotted. But you can't tell me say alright carrot and you just look blank so. Anybody don't know you I see you look so. Them all think I'm mad, you're mad. Face what I want.
Yeah.
Hey carrot. How did I not show up a sweet sap birthday bash yesterday star? How can I excuse that could I really have? Hey, after me done tell you say a straight lobster and fish me out deal with.
Yo, Carrot. Can you hear them talk to you?
Me nah lie. Carrot, you scare me right now because I never see you look so before. Me see if I fish and the lobster for you, you know. You want me set it up for you? Carrot.
Yo, I want to marry you star. Carrot.
Say something a superstar. You don't know, say, I cheer your family there so right now, you know. So anything about you, you must can get to the bottom of it. And if that not enough, I go draw for sweet sap. And if that not enough, I draw for bigger. And if that not work, I draw for cutie. Hell, we all draw for the chef. Basically, I say, a family of the monks, everybody wants to see you do good and wants to see you alright. So anything about you, you can't talk. Because if you take all of it to come together, we have to find a solution. See it, my brethren?
You ever have a dream so real? And that when you wake up, you're not really sure if you wake up. Or just another dream you wake up, you know?
Well, I may have some rough ones still enough, but no. Me never have them kind of dream there. When me wake up.
My out to them things you reach you. Next time say the Lord is my shepherd. Is my what?
Shepherd.
So I laugh at. When I know him. When I work with him. When I try to sing me.
Don't work with him and so I'm to you know. What? Then I shall not want. Oh, I'm supply all my needs. Stay there. Me call upon him all the time and he reveal things I may never see before.
Call upon him. Reveal things. You want to deal with. I don't know if I shepherd from the dreams that I talk about. Or the one from Sunday school.
Right now, Katie have me confused. Cause that's one shepherd me know and one shepherd me call pan.
Man, show some my brain out for frazzle out in about a second. You know what, Carrot? Tell them about this dream tip what they hide there, pan.
Well, first of all, the reason why I never come a sweet up bash, because what? Me and little thing I go and reason from my day, and the day that she said, boy, I must come in. She have some drinks and a surprise to me. So you don't know. So I decided to go and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. You see me I did it. I go link her and then I come in a sweet up thing later. So I go on there with the intention for just go and drink 2 liquor and all the vibes and then just boogie. You see me?
Well, I never hydrate. I mean, for cut you still in a butt. I don't know how pertinent the beef is to the story, but kind of put sheep on the back burner now and get to the dream thing. Yeah.
I go down, she a try sing me. For all me know, I go down and try sing me. All me know is, boy, this dream what me have, or this dream what me are in right now. I don't know which is which. I'm just confused. You know?
Boy, me hydrate. For that, I believe so, you know, when I would, I really want to sink you. You really carry a heavy load. So let's go and tell about this dream. We'll see if you can crack the code.
So reach home now the hours after I left the beef yard and decided, say, boy, I'm gonna just take it down, you see me? Once it come like, say, boy, chink and the mosquito them call a choose and decided to give me a break because I'm not telling no lie. And the fastest me ever drop asleep in a long time. Just as fast as me drop asleep, I wake up in a little village in St. Mary. When we used to go in me a little youth, I look for my brother named Leroy. Yeah, Leroy. Leroy. I don't know, shot the man call them man. I never know how I go on to write it.
It's what you want here. It's what you want from Leroy.
Just a pass through, mother.
Shepherd, I will get you. Shepherd, I will get you. Go away, old friend. Go away, old friend.
Carrington to rotted. The last time I see you in a basic school, we in a so I bring you come and St. Mary.
Boy, I'm just there, you know. Now ask me out. Yo, how are you old lady I dealing, man? It's like she still have me up. It's like, say, she still believes somebody should be out in Eastbury cheap on purpose. Make you broke up. Yo, she angry me away, I am.
My mother. So which part you see her?
She the right back of me. Why, you never see her?
Me see which part she did, but me no see her.
Yo, Leroy, it's right now. I'm confused already, you know. But to come like you want to shoot me all over, you don't got insanity. What you mean say you switch part today, but you don't see her? When you shout me out, she never did right back there, so.
Yeah, she did dead, and she still dead.
So you ask me which part me see her. Yo, how I go on?
Nothing now go on. Mama lay down nice and comfortable right back at you.
Lie down which part? Which part today? How you deal with Leroy?
Me not go on with nothing. She a lie down now which part she a lie down for the past 15 years.
Where?
In the grave.
Grave? You never did just. Did that woman did that? Karen, you're losing. You're losing. Get a grip, get a grip.
Gary, what go on? You alright?
Boy, I'm gonna really know if me alright. Cause like some me I said dump it. I'm gonna believe that them thing that.
Cheer up, Gary. Cheer up. I probably you're not getting enough sleep. I go down your nerves. Tell you what, make a boil some elderberry tea with some sour sap leaf. Make a fix you up right.
You know, say I got on my nerves for real. Yeah. Yo, me really could have used some of that berry that you talk about with the sauce up leaf. Yeah, man. Fix me up.
Well, alright. Nobody say no more. Cause if you carry, there's a whole lot more in store.
Yeah. Whatever that mean.
Little more, me I go down to the whole church, go chop out some grass, and why you forward, see?
Yeah, me roll. I'm not chop no grass still.
You're a big town man. You're the on them someday. Just kick back and relax. Maybe do the work.
Oh, I really want to do the things at the moment in this world. Right now I feel like man, but all of a sudden the lines between my real and dream get foggy for me. I'ma sink deeper in a confusion when me realize it and not just me and I'm more like me. I watch me go through it. I'm not really sure which one are the real me. And then starts the visions of this brother here. But at first, I never know who him is, why I'm one, or why I'm a pre. So we reached the old church. I'm not lie. It have spooky vibes. But I know some of them things that just in my mind. So I forward with them same way.
Well, I mean for cut you. But that church then, it might not be of no relevance, but just in case. You know what I name? I can describe it.
Well, I don't really know enough. Just know say it have a tower with some clock. It there by the sea. And it have a bag of old grave. That's all I can tell you.
That sound like the St. Mary Parish Church. A place they have a holy history. Slavery and all them things there. It can definitely have a spooky presence, especially after twilight.
Girl.
Simon Bridget, never mean to interrupt your flow. Continue with the dream. So I reach the church.
So I reached the church, and right away, the Bridget Leroy realized that somebody when I dig round one of the grave them. Then how you know side fresh? Yawa, blood on.
I can't tell, man. You know, see, I dirt look different from the rest. Besides, I did there earlier today, and it never looked so. Somebody did there dig.
Dig. Them grave are all rotted, but them pieces them all fine. Powder.
I'm sure you wouldn't know. People find things, man. Them places are different, Carrot. The groundskeeper before me, you see the big house I'm at the tree up on top of the hill? I did film that. Them say, him find a tin box in that same graveyard yeah, with a silver quartet, and it bring him riches and good fortune beyond them wildest dreams.
Sound like a some Uber-Kaba science again thing you are dealing. O-BE-AHN-TU-U and them.
No man, Carrot, them places are different, me I tell you. But know what them that dig for. Me go up to no find it before me.
So I'm to the brother who built the big house. They say he used to live there.
Well, about after a year after I moved in the house, him not pull up in him driveway and I'm brand new F-150. And him stop to go pick up something in him yard. And him walk back at the truck and somehow it run back and kill him.
So why people have not village say about that?
The people them say the same thing will bring him good fortune, bring him misfortune. I can't listen to them. Them too superstitious.
Right about now, all me know say I'm ready for boogie from here, so.
You can't do it, man. You know, say if I call your mouth in a graveyard when you cough, you end up in fly like your throat. Don't do them things, the man.
It's right now. I'm confused. My brain out of focus. Still I try to figure out what I do here. Let alone in a graveyard, sit down on a grave. I reason with a brother who believe in a lucky charms and hocus pocus.
I want this. Gary, it sounds like a tin. May I take it out some more? May I take it out some more? I wonder if I could have. I see it there. Sydney Knight, Gary. Sydney Knight. Right. Gary. We're fighting.
Yo, Leroy. How are that, man? Backside.
Gary, you see this? These are everything you can imagine in your wildest dreams. Worry, Gary. You'll get everything what you did wish for. Just wait and see. And it not go take too long neither. But wait, you never tell me what you wish for. But not tell me. Let me take a guess. You wish for riches on top of riches, don't it?
No, not really. But that's something I always did want. And if it work out, if I come back and get another wish, so I deal it. So let's go and hold on for the box. You know, yeah.
Only one wish you get. That's why men now hope say you don't wish for everything what your heart can imagine. It's alright still. Maybe the shepherd can charge it again.
How can a shepherd there talk about? Why am I charge again?
Nothing. Sorry. It was that thing called loudmouth signals. So you sure you don't want to come back to the yard and put on one bat?
You know, so I'm not really hungry. And besides, something might compel me for just keep it pushing. I know which part me I go, but I just keep it pushing. See?
Alright, my brethren. I remember me tell you, say, you'll get what you wish for. See? Little more.
I feel as if a force did pull me. And no matter what I do, I have to just go with the flow.
Cara, I don't mean for cut to it, but I take some mental notes as I go and elaborate on the situation, and this could be of some key importance. So I need to know what you wish for, if you did get it, and this is neither here nor there. How long it take you to get it?
When you see me come on here, I know that today was today, and yesterday was yesterday. But the yesterday, what me did I pray, was the yesterday night, after I follow the high advice, and dash out the thing I'm a wish for. And the today, what me I pray is, later when me hold my pillow tight, I just back to me and the chink and mosquito them a fight. And no more spooky things I go bumping in the night. Here yesterday, I deal with sweet sap get down. And here today, I make me remember why we never come around. But that can't explain the several days and nights out of my life were missing. and the time I spend in a St. Mary town. Come here, tell us, say, just as real as if a man for walk up right now and box me down. Alright, let me ask you this. Darius, remember we there? We come round here and you give me some busso soup.
I really dream it in a dream for real, cause I never hear about that sitting yet before. What you say name? Busso?
First time in my life me I hear about busso and you introduce it to me with there. So explain that.
Alright, me could do this. We are going to say for now, our time in half and your time in the point. So we are going to deal with the sequence of events but upon your timeline. See? Make me say your vivid encounter kind of still sketchy in our memory. See? So that's an update with. Yeah? Just try and keep the sequence of events as linear as possible. Come here, try and analyze things. But to say before I move on, this thing what you wish for. The thing when you set me say for dash out, when you dash out yesterday, remind me what it was again.
Well, true. I never believe in a hocus pocus. I never think it would have work. So, I just amuse myself and wish for a pair of steppers what I did always want. Sure. All I go on now. Sure and the man they must have something can twist this from left to right. And whatever him have can turn it. Cause I come low, me I wear them boot here. 2 left foot or not. A simple wish like this and them can't get it right. 2 left foot. Come like the wish worker you flap. Whoever him is. Or whatever. Sure. I just hope that sure he can fix it.
So you get one wish. And wish for a pair of big heel boot and get 2 left foot. Kinda hard still, but could be of some significance. Now as far as this brother here, when you keep on a visualize, I agree with you, definitely. And you my pre. Now we need to know why. So we want you to give me as much details as you can, see it? Or at least try.
First of all, I don't believe that them thing there. So I just wish for sitting simple, just to see if it's real. Number 2, when me a youth, I read enough book where people get wish, and then type them too craving, them always get sink. So you don't know it's a carrot and a fool, no matter what nobody else want to think.
This strange brother here, when I constantly pray, I slowly become the focus of my attention. And the way I hear describe him creepy presence, things that I need to look in a film direction. So try and give me some more details, see? And possibly there's a connection.
You remember when I tell you, say, I feel like, say, a tree of me. It's like, say, there's a me who I go through it. And there's another me who I watch me I go through it. And there's a next me I watch the 2 of me. But the other me who I prep the other 2 me can pre things what the other 2 me can pre. But him can't want me. You think me could have been the me who I pre the other 2 me? Because me I wonder how me know say a tree.
While I wear yourself, my brethren, me deal with the figuring out. Just tell me about the you what pre the other two you find out?
Well, one at a time is like him pre. Wait, I'm never sure if I should have said me or we. But anyway, one night by moonlight, him, me, or we say,
Mr. Shepherd, me not have no more money for kill. Me not have no more body for bring. And you promise me say you'll give me back my mother.
Him never wish for greed, him wish for need. And I told you I want you to bring me a very greedy man.
Me do everything where you say me fi do. Me give you everything where you say me fi give. And you promise me, say you go make my mother come back. You promise me, say me I go see, hear and touch my mother again. You promise me. Shepherd, he's a fraud. He's a fraud. You don't possess the power you claim you have.
Don't look over there, unless you want to dead.
Lord Jesus Almighty, God help me.
Only the shepherd can save you from evil, no one else. Help me, please. Go back, evil. Go back. That is evil, my pet. I feed one bad spirit, and you come here tonight with a very bad spirit. I think I should have just let him near you.
Mr. Shepherd, me never mean what me say. Me just miss my mother. May I beg you? Me sorry. Me sorry.
Now that is more like it. You will never again doubt the power of the shepherd.
No, never again, Mr. Shepherd. Never again.
Very well. It might take a little time to work on him, but if you don't put back what's mine, before the third sign, my evil on his beaten heart will dine.
Why not some people? Before we even go no further, I want to send out a special thanks to the people them who they got to support the thing. Just me. Can't loving it down to the ground. Remember I'm telling you that. I'm not just saying it. Just me. Phone forgot on the way. But another platform just to support yours truly. Yo, I can't even find the words. And for all the people them who did want to support it, but couldn't support it, for whatever reason, even for just being a sufferer, like myself. Trust me, me not forget to know. Can't now get rich and switch. Well, me never get rich yet, so me not really know for sure if when I did switch. Well, safe to say, me switching is highly unlikely, unless it's necessary. So me I show the producer say, it's like how the big guys with them movie where them say they got the theater. After a while they make it come on TV for free. And that more you do for me. So I'm agree with me and decide to give it in a 2 parts. So not just the part 1. After all who love it, we know they can't wait to see the conclusion, don't it? Watch nothing, conclusion will come. And guess what? Right after that, the Booga Yaga saga come next. So I don't want to miss none of them things there. Good while now you don't see we or whatever gone away. I work, we busy at work, trust me upon that one day. And to all of the long time subscriber them, and the new subscriber them, and the people them who like and share up the video them, yo, just know say, una the real reason why we keep going, you see me? So trust me, just the fun not gone away, just the fun not quit. And if you don't see just the fun for a while, it just means that I work on some more content and longer content for bring to you more niceness, you see me? So just kick back and enjoy the ride. So all character beg enough for you, please, before you left, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can know when time we upload a new episode them. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, seeing. And do me a beg you, like the video and share it up, seeing. We're out. Little more. Black. First one for 22. You're out of here like 21. Go ahead.